What's up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can send Avax from Metamask to Binance. All the process for that is pretty simple. For that, first things first, you need to have a wallet address from the Binance. In order to do that, you simply have to open up your Binance looking something like that. Once you do that, you simply have to log into your account. Now, I'm just going to quickly log in with my Google account. Once you're logged in, you will be at the dashboard. So I'm just going to quickly continue with my Google account. I'm already logged in here. Now, in my Google account, after logging in, you will be at the dashboard. And the dashboard, what you have to do is you just have to simply go to this deposit and then click on deposit crypto. After clicking on deposit crypto, you will be able to see your select your coins. Here you just have to enter Avax coin. Now after entering the Avax, you will be able to get some networks. After selecting the network, you'll be able to get your wallet address. You just have to copy that wallet address. Now, after having the wallet address, you just have to come to your MetaMask. So I'm just going to open up my MetaMask and it will take some time to load, obviously, and it will want me to post my password as well. So I'm just going to quickly put my password and then I'm going to click on unlock. Let me just correct my password and there you go. Once you do that, here you have to tap on send. And after tapping on send, you just have to select from which account where you want to transfer. Here, you just simply have to enter your wallet address. After entering the wallet address, it will automatically detect that you are transferring this cryptocurrency. It will want you to put the amount you want to transfer and all the things after putting the wallet address. So that's very much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.